Good morning, children. Welcome back to our SST class. Hope you all are safe and fine with your near and dear ones. Today, we are going to start a new chapter, Chapter 9, Soils of India. Okay, so let's start. First of all, before I start the chapter, we should know that what is soil. Soil is very important natural resources. Okay. The variety of soils found in the different parts, in the different landforms of India. Right? India has so many landforms like grassland, hill slopes, plains, coastal plains, rocks and uneven lands also. Okay, both food crops and cash crops are grown in India. So for this purpose, soil is very important for us. Okay, soil is formed by breaking rocks. The great forces, the great natural forces like air, water, etc. break the rocks into small pieces, into small rocks, then tiny particles, and then the fine particles of soil. Okay. Now come to the next point, types of soil. According to this, soil is divided into 6 categories. What are they? Alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, arid soil and forest soil. Understood? Now we are going to discuss one by one. Okay? Children, now we are going to start one by one soil. First, alluvial soil. What is alluvial soil? Alluvial soil found in the northern and the coastal plains of India. Okay? The rivers coming from the Himalayan mountains and Deccan Plateau bring large quantities of sand silt with them. This is deposited on the river banks and this is called alluvial soil. The deposited part is called alluvial soil. It is very fertile. Okay. Crops such as rice, wheat, maize, sugarcane, cotton, jute, pulses, oilseeds, tobacco and vegetables grow well in this soil. That means all kinds of crops grow well in this soil because alluvial soil is very much fertile. Okay. Next point is black soil. What is that? Earth is extremely hot below the crust. Okay. Crust part is extremely hot. In the crust of the earth, long cracks are made. The lava comes out through these cracks and spread over a large area. Okay, it is very hot. Liquid lava comes out from the cracks and spread over a wide area. Then when it cools down, it becomes rocks. When the lava cools down, it becomes rock. Soil made from these rocks are called black soil. Understand? It is rich in potash. The black soil rich in potash, lime, calcium, aluminium and magnesium. Black soil is suitable for cotton crops, sugarcane, groundnut, wheat, millets, tobacco, oilseeds, etc. Black soil is found in Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, etc. Okay. Now come to the next part of the soil, that is red soil. Red soil is made of loose rocks. and is a mixture of sand and clay. Red colored soil is mixture of sand and clay both. This red colored soil is less fertile. It is not very fertile. It is found in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, parts of Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, Odisha, Jharkhand, etc. in these states. If sufficient quantities of fertilizers are added, crops such as cotton, wheat, rice, millets, pulses and tobacco can be grown in this soil. Okay. Now come to the next point, that is laterite soil. What is laterite soil? This soil is made from laterite rocks. Understand? It is rich in iron oxide but lacks of nitrogen, potash, etc. Okay, it is found in small areas of Maharashtra, Odisha, Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Karnataka, Bihar, Assam and Meghalaya. When this soil is properly manured, it can be used to grow crops like tea, coffee, rubber and coconut, and fruits also grown in this soil. Okay, and one most important thing is building bricks are made by this laterite soil. Okay, keep it in your mind. Now come to the number 5 points, that is arid soil. What is arid soil? Arid soil, it ranges from red to brown in color. Okay, this soil in the western desert is not found. It is found in the western desert. It is sandy and lacks of humus and moisture. In this soil, it is very much sandy and it has lacks of humus and moisture. It is found in the western Rajasthan. Okay, it is also called the desert soil. Understood? And the last soil is forest soil. What is it? Forest soil is rich in humus and organic matter. Very enriched, okay, with humus and organic matter. It is found in the hilly mountainous areas, hill areas and mountainous areas. Crops like tea, coffee, rubber, spices, fruits grow well in this soil. Okay. Our next point is soil erosion and soil conservation. First, what is soil erosion? Both human and natural activities affect soil. It is very common. Okay, cutting down trees and pulling out grass makes the soil infertile and loose. Okay, cutting down so many trees and pulling down the grasses also infertile, makes the soil infertile and loose. Sometimes rainwater and strong winds carry the loose soil away. Okay, this is called soil erosion. But it must be prevented. We can conserve the soil. How? So students, we have come at the end part of this chapter. The next point is soil conservation. What is that? We have to make some special effort to conserve our soil. Okay, from the soil erosion. What are the steps? Step 1. We should make small bunds around the fields. Okay. Number 2. Hill slopes should be covered with grass, shrubs and trees. Understand? Number 3. We should not cut trees because their roots hold the soil tightly. If we cut down the tree, the soil erosion started. Number 4. terrace field should be made at the slopes of the hill. We can do it easily. Terrace farming also. Number 5, a piece of land should not be used continuously. Okay. And last point is we should plant new trees. Okay. So children, this is the complete explanation of this chapter, chapter 9, that is Soils of India. Hope this video will help you to make you understand. For the timing, just go through the chapter thoroughly. For the time being, stay home, be safe. Thank you.